I teach you how to make a beautiful AI picture like this, like this, like this. How to make an AI image I teach you on your phone, you will easily do. Open on Safari. Then search enter Microsoft Bing. Click on Websites. Click here, click Sign In. Now, if you do not already have a Microsoft account, you can follow me, but if you haven't, you can sign in. Click Get a new email address. Enter your address. Enter your password. Click Next. Enter your name. Then click Next. At this point, you do not have to remember exactly on your date of birth. Click Next. Click Next. Follow what is shown. We have to turn the car head properly. Click Submit. Ready to create our Microsoft account. Click here Change to computer format. Click Image. Here are all examples. Click Create. Please enter text according to the image. I want a picture like this. You can add text to any image you want. Click Generate. Wow, so cool. Click here. Click Download. Here is the text we put together for image search. Thanks for watching the video on my channel.